From the archives of Nutshell is the diary entry when the Nutshell holster was launched for the first folding phone. The West went wild to get their own Nutshell holster for this amazing folding Samsung phone. When word got out Nutshell had designed an all-leather holster for the new folding Samsung smartphone, hundreds of cowboys rushed to be the first to wear one on their hip. The reputation of Nutshell had spread in the West. It became the talk around campfires, had caused legendary saloon brawls. Out on the ranches, Nutshell holsters have become the preference of lawmen, gunslingers, and cowboys. Once the word got out, the Stampede started. Homesteaders looked on in envy at the new phones. The smart communicators today, just like in the old West days, demand security for their folding phones when they're on the move. The Samsung Fold Nutshell holster. Long life real leather. 2 color options. Belt loop provides 100% security.
Everywhere besides this was fast. Come on. Start first just over the hill. We'll pull up and walk.
Introductory discount.
Go to the top.
Order now from www.toughisnuts.com.